Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you a piece of new inventory. We have a Crest 220 DLX. This is going to be the 2023 model. We're going to take a step inside and look at some of the features. This boat is here at MarineMax. We're going to be your one-stop boating shop. We've got an awesome pro shop, going to have all your tubes and everything that you need. Awesome finance department. We can set you up with insurance, and then a great service department on the back end to give you that peace of mind when you're out there on the water. Let's take a step inside and take a look. All right guys, as we take a step inside, you can see on that back side we do have the dual loungers. This is a center walk-through dual helm setup. This is really nice. Your passengers are going to be really comfortable, and it uses the seating really well. It does have a Mercury 200 on the back of it, as well as a full ski tow bar, so that you guys can do whatever you guys want to out there on the water. As we step forward, we do have the raised helm. This is really nice. You're going to be able to see over your passengers whenever you're parking. We do have our cooled cup holder and our low rant system, so you're going to have a chart plotter, fish finder, all that stuff, and fusion audio throughout the boat. Finally, as we step forward into the bow of the boat, it does have that same lounger feel to it, so this makes it, like I said, really nice for your passengers. There's a ton of seating capacity, and we do have our full bimini as well. Again, this is a Crest 220 DLX here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. My name's Tyler Smith. Give me a call and we can get you squared away.